Hey everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app problem, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we click on Twitter. Then this page of app info we click on force stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.